Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to pin a Gemini chat to your sidebar. So to do this you have just to go to the Gemini app, and after that go and click on the options like in the top, on the icon on the top left of the screen to see your chats. And after that, choose the conversation that you want to pin, long press on it. And as you can see, the second option is pin, click on it. And as you can see, the chat is pinned. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.